a lazy penguin.
That's a tired penguin right there. Oh, heck. Uh-oh.
These are the ones most at risk.
He's not a happy feeder.
The skewers know a potential victim when they see one.
It's messed up.
But there's no need to rush. This chick will only get hungrier and weaker while its parents are away.
Ow! Ow! You a-hole. Oh, damn you, sea lion.
A leopard seal has blocked their way.
Leopard seal, I mean. Go, little guys, go.
With perfectly streamlined bodies,
Get the heezy out of there.
swim at high speed with virtually no drag.
Woo.
They make a leap.
Oh,
The hunter then carries
unnecessary.
prey away from the shore to begin the bloody task of ripping flesh from bone.
Oh my soul.
It's trying to avoid contaminating its hunting ground with gore, to hide the horror from the next wave of penguins. Keep them coming.
Dang, that fool's ruthless.
I don't know. It's not.
I thought they were supposed to be cute.
Huge. A leopard seal can't be hungry, but it still has an appetite
Oh.
for another kill.
Dang.
And another.
Dang.
And another.
That fool didn't even eat them.
How many more penguins will die today?
Oh no, no more. February 12th. Atlanta just had a blizzard.
It's snowing.
The roommates have cabin fever. So we've decided
To go on a journey.
to appreciate the snow that Atlanta never gets, which you can't see right now because it's dark, but let's go, let's go. You could tell people who are not used to having snow. They be acting a fool like this. He missed! He missed! You guys are stupid. Yo, this is Tech Block. I just did a 360. Josh can't even walk. Look at this car.
Icy?
It's like the end of the world.
Josh, just back up the car.
Look at this fool. He's trying to move. It's not gonna work.
Yo, she's not gonna make it up there, dog.
She's gotta go backwards. She's gotta go backwards. Alright, so. This is freaking awesome, dude. Like, it's like the end of the world. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what's going here.
Yo, that jungle is
recording right now.
Oh hell no! We just did a 360 up in this.
My car.
We just did a 360 up in this.
I know another way home. I know another way home.
Hey! You need to back up! You can't go up that hill!
She's not listening.
And what is this? Get some stragglers right here.
Hey, are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you get.
Yeah, we're parked back there.
Okay.
Trying to check out the roads up here.
Yeah, it's pretty
Okay.
bad. The people are slipping and sliding all over.
Whoa. This guy, oh, you alright, dog? You can't go over a curb, right? We got that on Tech Block. Just rolled over that curb right there.
Saturday afternoon. I've just got back from the lock-in, and then some of the boys went to the homeless feeding. And now to relax, I've decided to spend my Saturday afternoon watching the Winter Olympics. Not just any Winter Olympics. Curling is on TV. If none of you have ever seen this event in your life, you've been missing out. Screw the half pipe. Screw the downhill jump. Screw all those speed skating events. Figure skating's got nothing on curling. Okay, look. Here's Team USA. This lady is known as, I guess, like the shooter. And there's 3 other girls. So she's gonna slide across the ice about 10 feet. Release the rock. We call that the rock. And her teammates are the curlers. And I can't tell if they're trying to slow down the puck or speed the puck with their sweeps.
Come on, John. Oh, we're good at that game.
Okay, see, you're trying to get in the bullseye, dog. That is a shot. Wow. That's some concentration and dexterity if I've ever seen any. It's a real heated battle between England and let's see, knocks out their rock and gets their rock into the bullseye. That is mad game. This is the elite sport of Winter Olympics. I don't even know how to explain my passion for this sport. Ooh, 19-year-old right there. They call it a sharpshooter from England. She's only 19.
Yes.
She looks like she's 30 though, but. All right, look. Here's the commentator. She's drawing it out. They're gonna go for the curveball. All right, here we go. Let's check this out. Let's see what they can bring. England's got to bring the heat right now.
The U.S. stole a point in the 5th end, trying to do the same in the 6th.
Here we go. Here we go. The problem is, U.S. left no defense. The shot is wide. Oh, okay. The best part is when they start yelling at the curlers to curl.
Uh-oh, it's curving.
Oh, the curveball. Oh, wow. Not strong enough. What, the U.S. can go in there and curl too? When it's not their turn?
With an opportunity to steal a couple now.
You know she's going to be on Maxim after this, right? You know they're going to come find her to be on Maxim. Oh, check this out. I got my new tea thing from Tijuana. I quit coffee and I'm on this white tea tip. This is high levels of antioxidants, low levels of caffeine. It's supposed to purify the body. So I'm on this 2 cups of tea a day thing. Actually, let me show you how this thing works. It's kind of trippy, look. Alright, yeah, you're not supposed to pour the tea back in, but watch. So I pour my tea in here. You boil the water, and see, look. See, it's in there. And you let it brew. Watch, you put it down. Tea's good, right? It's still sitting there. So you're supposed to let it brew for like 5 minutes. Now watch this, watch this, watch this.
Andrew, since you've been in the curling business for over 5 years, what do you think?
They're going to use one of their 2 timeouts.
Look at that. Look at that.
And this is a great time to call a timeout.
Isn't that tight?
This one, it looks like they're using to tie the game up.
Tea. Pure pandemonium.
Pure pandemonium, technician. As we are watching Team USA battle break before the gold medal in curling, it appears that Team USA is having a discussion on how to shoot their next shot. Looks like the team.